Hey, it's Clay on this video chart on ticker symbol SEEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice move. And when you consider where the price was just on Monday, and now all of a sudden you look at where the price is on the day, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has certainly made a very, very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? $2.97. Why is $2.97 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 297. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say, and I'm not saying this will happen, but for example's sake, let's say that the price does go down. So this box goes down to that point right there. However, at that point, it just starts to go sideways, it being the price, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have progress being made in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase progress as $2.97. What about levels of resistance going into Wednesday? If this movement is going to continue, where some of these next key battlegrounds at? Main level going forward is going to be, has quite a bit of past history up around the area. I'm not sure what the value is. Let's see. Right there, we'll call it $3.25. Again, if you take a quick trip down memory lane here, you can see a couple of times rejected there, couple of times rejected there. So I'm not saying the price can't break through 325. I'm just saying apparently the price is really going to need to bring it to A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but also stay up above it. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice movement today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.